everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Today we see how are we going to make again cute little hairstyles. Yes, you can see this pretty pattern that will really make your hair look lovely and beautiful. Proceeding further, what we have in store for you all is another mesmerizing pattern of hair that will literally grab your heart. You can see and gradually end up getting a lovely result that will make you and your friends just fall in for. And here's the cute little bun that will make you look nice and pretty on both the sides, isn't it? Now, these are quite like princess hairstyles that you can always try on your little buddies and make them stand out from the crowd. Yes, this is what we are finding out. Just taking small and then making it till the end and rolling it into it, spraying making your hair slightly smooth and comfortable, and with the help of the comb you can attach and make it look into a simple yet fascinating hairstyles on both the sides, and you are just ready to stand out in the party, right? Again, yes, can you guess which hairstyles are we mugging into? Yes, this is the another thing, and just putting the hairs, taking short hairs and then making into a crisscross, we are getting something special and innovative. Yes, and from both the sides you can just pin them up with the help of a pin and then making it, converting it into a bun. Yes, this is drastically amazing, right? Now what are we making into is a thing, just attaching the small partition, taking small partition of the hair and crisscrossing it in this manner like the one is doing in the video, and you will end up getting the result like this, and you will end up getting a beautiful pattern of hair like this. Why don't you go and try these lovely hairstyles at your home and share your result with us? And this is the beautiful thing in the end. Now let's move further and see what are we getting now. What lovely thing is in store for us. Yes, this is a simple yet not that simple that you'll stand out in the crowd and you will grab everyone's attention there. Yes, hairs are literally lovely, and when they are converted into beautiful pattern, they will make you look amazing all the time. So just go and try all these interesting patterns of hair. And this is how you got it. Yes, this is nice. This is something that you can easily create with your home and with your partner. You can definitely ask your friend for the same. And here we are spraying, making your hair a little smooth, and then we are joining this crisscrossing two pleats, and then again we are doing the same thing with the other part of the hair and just tying them with the help of rubber band, with beautiful red rubber bands, right? Again, with the help of making a ponytail and then crisscrossing it in the form of pleats. What we are getting up in the end, let's wait and see. Yes, I am eagerly waiting.